In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce Mfa. Whether you're encountering issues with your multi-factor authentication or simply need to reset it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll begin by accessing your Salesforce account and navigating through the necessary settings to get you back up and running in no time. First, let's head to the Salesforce website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the official Salesforce URL, or simply clicking a saved bookmark if you have one. Once there, you'll want to hover over the top right area of the page where it prompts you to log in. From this drop down, select Salesforce to proceed. Next, enter your Salesforce credentials. Remember to use the email and password associated with your Salesforce account. If you've forgotten your password, now might be a good time to reset it via the Forgot Password link for a seamless login experience. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the profile settings. In the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. This will open a menu with a variety of options. What we need is the settings tab, so go ahead and click on that. Once in the settings section, navigate to the advanced user details page. This is where all the fine-tuning of your user profile takes place. It's worth taking a moment here to familiarize yourself if you're new to Salesforce, as this area holds many customizable settings for your account. Now onto the crucial part of our task. Check the status of your one-time password authenticator. If it's already connected, you'll notice it says connected next to its label. Here's where you'll click on the disconnect button to remove the current MFA setup. Don't worry, you can always reconnect or adjust any settings in case of any concerns. If, conversely, it is not connected, you will have the option to connect it. In either case, we are focused on disconnection, which clears the existing setup. Once disconnected, the system might ask for a confirmation or additional verification depending on your account's security settings. And there you have it. You've successfully reset the multi-factor authentication for your Salesforce account. Remember, it's important to have your MFA active to ensure the security of your account. You can revisit this process anytime you need to alter or update your authentication settings. Thanks for watching, and for more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy using Salesforce with enhanced security.